technically this is a public park, so anybody can walk right in and use all these ramps and obstacles. But out of respect, you kind of want to contribute, especially when you see a lot of effort that's been put in. The local guys that we've been building up some of the ramps to skate parks and spots built this whole skate park, this DIY skate park. We got a quarter pipe, a hump rolling, 2 humps to get speed, pipe rail, a double black rail. I mean, there's plenty of stuff here you can see. I built that drop in and these 2 humps in case you want to do like a rhythm section. I was actually here yesterday without my camera, and I was able to grind this pipe thing, like a center grind, whatever it's called, to whip. And I'll see if I can do it again for you guys today, as well as trying some of the other obstacles. This thing looks crazy. You gotta try it. This one's hard and it's wider than the little ones, but it's sick. We gotta do it. See if we can get this board side. Maybe front board now. Got a couple things on the agenda today. One, this we did yesterday, this whole thing, the whip. I want to try to do that again. It took me about 30 to 40 tries yesterday. Then I also want to do the little black guys to either bar spin or heel whip. Definitely going to start with this. Woo! Now we got these little mini guys right here. Let's see if I can get a heel whip out of this one or a bar spin. Seems today's video is full of bar spins, but every single one is new. Part of me can't wait to ride my regular scooter again and hit spots and learn more flat tricks. But knowing this is temporary, you gotta take advantage of it. We haven't had snow in 3 or 4 years, and when we did, I didn't have a snow scooter like this. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna try to hit this big green pipe to whip one more time. On the other side of this mountain is a cool place to freestyle, just like go down the hill and mob. But I don't want to pack up my stuff and go there and come back. We're already here. I'm just gonna get to this. If I can get this one straight, 100% I'm doing this one. Just gotta get it straight, take off, good pop, and land right in the middle. As soon as I go straight, it works. It's my second one actually. I was here yesterday. It actually took way longer. Once you go off this straight, it makes a world of difference trying to center yourself and balance the whole way. It's really weird because I was thinking about it yesterday. We're used to doing precision rides, a round wheel on a flat surface. We have a flat platform on a round surface. And it's really weird because it's opposite and it really messes with your head. You think you're gonna just slip off because everything's slippery and you're sliding, but it works really good. That's our first rail grind and our first combo rail grind all in one. And we did plenty of other stuff too. We got the boys pulling up, trying some of the new jumps. There it is. I The run up is so bad. There we go. See ya. I've got a love-hate relationship with the snow, but I've been loving it more often. Usually when it snows, I'm just, man, hurry up, dry up, or shovel the blacktop 1,000 times, which I've done. And the blacktop's actually dry. I shoveled it the other day in preparation for the rain or just good weather. So look forward to getting some sessions with that, trying to learn brand new tricks. I have a list of 5 world's first that I want to make happen. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do multiple in one video, but that's the plan. Appreciate you guys watching this video. If you enjoyed the snow scooter videos, I don't know if it's gonna snow anymore. It looks like it's gonna get warm. It might rain in the next few days. So this might be it. If it does snow, we'll be back. But if you enjoyed the snow scooter videos, don't forget to watch the other ones on the channel. I made a bunch just because we had plenty of snow. I had to make it work. I had to have fun and be productive at the same exact time. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.